Hi everyone, and welcome to Triangular Micro OS YouTube channel. In this video, I will show Triangular Micro OS 1.43, the newest version for Commodore 128. Please feel free to comment under this video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with BIOS, in which setup menu joystick port for mouse can be specified. First noticeable change is bigger mouse pointer. Micro OS has updated Start menu. It's bigger and includes Command and Monitor. Settings is now divided on 4 tabs: System, Mouse, Window, and Desktop. In Mouse tab, its speed, color, and joystick port can be selected. Default button will bring back stock settings. In Window tab, colors of a graphical user interface elements can be changed. In Desktop tab, a color and pattern of desktop wallpaper can be changed. To cancel those changes, just close Settings window without applying them. Words received new text cursor. SIMCITY color theme is updated and new expanded black HUD is placed on bottom of the screen. Gameplay supports 2 levels of zoning, and now it is possible to remove a plot. Grand Prix Brazil racetrack is based on Interlagos Formula 1 circuit, which is divided on 3 sectors. Player scores points on each opponent overtaken. Besides windows, buttons, icons, and text labels, API now generates 2 types of message boxes: simple OK and yes/no type. Whenever Micro OS encounters program error, it will show purple screen of dead with error details, and where user can try to continue running Micro OS or exit to basic. BIOS has similar black screen of dead, but in reverse colors. Software Development Kit disk contains an updated template program that utilizes newest additions to System API like button, icon, text label, and message box creators. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified on further updates for Triangular Micro OS. See you soon.